Guys, it's me again, Philip Klein. I made my username the Diamond Nerf guns, and we're gonna do another Nerf gun, but in the dark. It sounds weird. I never done it before, so let's just get this started. Enjoy the show.
Hey guys. Did I hit you?
Yep, you did.
Alright.
You missed. Why aren't you shooting?
Stuck. Pause. Plus you didn't hit me that time.
I did not hit him, and it's on pause, so just we'll be done in a second.
Alright, back in the game.
3, 2, 1, go.
Did I hit you?
Missed. He's out. Here's my chance. Here's my chance. Did I hit you?
Nope, missed. Sucker.
Okay. My relocation time.
No, it is not, Phil.
Well, it's up for me.
Okay, now you can run around and I'm trying to shoot you, but this gun has really horrible aim when I'm trying to move.
No, hour.
Come on. I can shoot him.
Dude, that was on time, so that doesn't count.
Yeah, that's all at one time, so just one more.
Okay, guys, I'm just gonna hang out with my sword, and it's on time.
Oh, it is?
And this is my sword.
Okay.
I think it's really cool. Okay.
Better
So I'll just be over here in the corner. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, darn, I didn't hit him.
You came on mistake, Howard.
Do I have to do everything?
I'm getting really tired. He hasn't got me yet.
Only got one time, Phil.
He got me one time. How do you need to refill? It's not. Okay, Howard, do you need swords only?
Nope.
Still got ammo?
Yep, I still got ammo. Oh, you know you can run around and get the ammo that I shot at your base, right?
Yeah, but I'm gonna use my sword now.
Come on, work. Yeah, that's better.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna go.
2 times. Wait. No, like yeah.
Did you miss me? He's got none of my chance.
Still got ammo.
I got him. He's down to 1 life.
No, Phil. I only have 2 more lives left. I shot.
I have 2 more lives left too.
No, Phil. You have 1.
Not 2. You missed me.
No, I didn't.
Dude, when I was like right here, you
I
missed
still
me.
have ammo.
I'm down to 1 life left.
Hey, you can't do that.
I got him.
No, Phil, that's not. Oh, whatever.
I got him. We're down to 1 life left. Howard, is that how not swords only? Time. Swords only, guys.
No.
It's swords only.
Darn it, fine. Swords.
Howard, until that gun runs out.
Wait, Phil. Ugh. Oh, fine. God.
Howard, you only allowed to use 1 sword.
Which one should I choose?
You should, Howard, you already chose that one, so you have to use it.
Oh, fine. Whatever. Oh, anyways. Well, I'm going to have to sword battle begin.
Yeah.
Protection. Come on. I can win this. Come on. Oh, come on. Oh, I hit you. But you lost, though. And you lost. Slayeth the champ. Hey, everybody, I'm the winner once again. Anyways, check out our channel for even more videos. Bye. And